Oh, y'all see that? Oh. Before we get into the video, we want to give a huge shout out to Aporro for hooking us up.
What's up, bust down?
Y'all know.
Change little, but we spent some change on it.
Yeah, y'all ain't supposed to be saying nothing no more. I can tell y'all that. Period.
Yeah, because you can't really see what that one says, but you're getting there.
Stop coming for me. We have a box, and what's inside the box, right when you open it, looks something like this.
Gift bag.
So for one, it's a gift bag. Cute gift bag, by the way. Look at the details on that. Show them the details. Get all up in there. Yep. Then we have an invoice of what we got. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a description of that. We got 2 gold rope chains of 14 karat gold, 18 inch. We have 1 gold Franco chain, which is 18 inch. We have 2 plug pendants, 1 heart eye emoji, and 1 more gold franc chain, but this one's a 20 inch and this one's 14 karat gold as well. So now, you ready for the goodies? Ready for the
drum roll?
Hey!
You ruined my drum line. Drum roll.
Now we have the box. The box, again, of course, is in detail. And inside, oh, y'all see that? What's inside the box? We have some beautiful stickers from the company. It's ours. Then we have little bags to kind of place our pendants and our jewelry in. So I'll go ahead and give Brittany 1. And then now we got the good stuff. See, you guys can't see none of the pendants and the chains that we got because it's all in these. But we'll go ahead and open these one by one and show you guys what they all look like. It looks like we have like a cleaning cloth again with their logo on it. You cannot miss it. Just, oh my God, the details on that. We're going to start with what Honeybee got. She got one out of 2 pendants so far.
Because I'm a real shooter, period. So I got me a little AK 47. Here, show them close because my nails got done. Period. Oh my God, that's so nice.
So that's Honeybee's, you know, because she a shooter out here.
Look, move your hand. Period. I don't care. I'm lying. I ain't never touched a gun in my life.
Oh, here's one of the plugs. So this is one of the 2 plugs. Me and Brittany both got plugs. You know we the plug.
I'm really gonna plug it into the wall too. Charge my phone.
Oh my gosh. Let's go ahead and get up close on that.
So if y'all looking for some good quality chains,
this is the place to go.
Period.
Where's the link at? In the description.
Down below.
Hello.
Period.
So now we'll get to my pendants and what I got. So I end up getting this heart eye emoji like I told you guys. So let me go ahead and open that.
You think you bae?
I do. And I look like bae too. Even on my worst days. Oh, that's about to get on me for that.
Good job, Perk.
Oh, their logo is also on the back of it as well, on every last pendant.
Look.
Ouch, Brittany.
I'll shoot you.
And then the last pendant for myself.
Copycat.
Chill out.
Chain little, but I spent some change on it.
After figuring out what chain goes with who, we just want to show you guys the chain. And as you guys can see, Brittany extra and already put one of them on. But we just wanted to show you guys the chains and everything and get into the detail and all that stuff.
I'm the plug.
We're going to put these chains on and show you guys what they look like up close so that you guys can get a full-on detail of what these chains look like. Aporro offers both 100% 14 solid gold and 14 karat real gold with 5 times plated. Their products are made out of the highest quality materials including brass, 925 sterling silver, and then dipped 5 times in gold plating with unique craftsmanship. It will help maintain the beautiful finish and it's hard to fade. For most of the products, they offer Cuban zirconian stone, which is an excellent alternative to VS diamond because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. At the meantime, they also offer high quality diamonds like VS or VVS diamonds. If you would like to know more, feel free to contact them through their customer service page.